Today we are going to discuss the number system. What do you mean by number system? Number system means संख्या पद्धति। संख्या पद्धति क्या है? संख्या पद्धति संख्या को लिखने के लिए, नंबर्स को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए एक विधि है जिसके माध्यम से हम नंबर्स को क्लासिफाइड करते हैं। लाइक एज नंबर सिस्टम द मीनिंग ऑफ number system is classified the numbers. That is, numbers are classified in two parts. First is natural numbers and second is whole numbers. We know that natural numbers means counting from 1 to infinite numbers. Just we can say 1, 2, 3, dash dash infinite value. And whole number means starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dash dash infinite value. It means natural number started from 1 to infinite, but whole numbers is started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite value. In this classification, we know that numbers are classified in natural numbers and whole numbers. Another classification of numbers means odd numbers and even numbers. Odd numbers and even numbers. What do you mean by odd numbers? Odd number means those numbers are not divisible by 2. Those numbers are not divisible by 2. Means those numbers are not divisible by 2. It is called odd numbers. In the case even numbers, it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, dash dash infinite numbers. Another for example of odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, dash dash infinite value. This is the simplest classification of numbers in according to natural number and whole number. Another, the numbers are divided in two parts, odd number and even numbers. Now again we classified the numbers in according to number system. We can say prime number and composite number. Just means prime number. What is the meaning of prime numbers? Prime number means it has two factors only. It has two factors. It has two factors only. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. इन नंबर्स में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इट इज नियर बाई odd numbers, but cannot say it is odd number because it has two factors only. In the case of two factors, the number 2, that means the factor of 2, that is 1 and 2, the factor of 3, that is 1 and 3, and so on. Other numbers, they are not equal to odd numbers. In the case of odd numbers only for divisible by 2. Odd numbers is not divisible by 2 in the case of prime number. Student, note the given points which are noted on the blackboard. In the case of prime numbers, it has two factors only. The two factors just mean 2 is equal to 1 and 2, but not another numbers are divisible by 2. Just we can say it is prime numbers. In the case of 2, 3, 5, 7, they are common in according to odd numbers, but 9 is odd number and 9 is not a prime number because it has 3 factors. Now we can say, students, note down these points in according to your knowledge, and just we can say goodwills of study. Now again we classified the number system. In according to the number system, they are classified by 3 parts, like as a prime numbers, second is co-prime numbers, and third is composite numbers. In the case of prime numbers, we know that those numbers are offers only 2 factors. Just we can say these numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. Now in the case of co-prime numbers, these type of numbers is consecutive. Just we can say 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. It means we can say the HCF of these numbers is 1. HCF of these numbers is equal to 1. Just we can say this type of number is co-prime numbers. In the case prime numbers, you know it has only 2 factors, but in the case this type of number, it has no factors. Another, in the case of composite numbers, it has more than 2 factors. It has more than 2 factors. It is started from 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, etc. up to infinite value. In the case of these numbers are presented in infinite value. Infinite means just we take the continuously in according to rules of composite numbers. Composite numbers we can define more than 2 factors. Another, prime numbers only it has 2 factors. In the case of prime numbers, 1 is not a prime number. Prime number is starting from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Just we can say etc means etc. It is not the enough of the numbers. It is presented in according to limitations of number. Just we can say starting to finish the numbers, we can find different types of prime numbers, but the criterion of prime numbers is depend only two factors. But more than two factors is also a composite number. Just we can say number system is classified in according to prime number, co-prime number and composite numbers. एक वर्ड्स आपने और सुना होगा consecutive numbers. What do you mean by consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers means continuous number. Continuous numbers, just we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. Just be taking the counting of numbers in continuous order. Just we can say it is consecutive numbers. In the case of word level problem, we take different places consecutive numbers. The equations are formed by the consecutive numbers. It is also helpful in according to number system. Just we can say it is very important classification in number system, prime number, co-prime numbers and composite number. It is also defined as a consecutive numbers. Consecutive number means continuous number. It is counting from starting the natural number and be counted in finite places. Just we can say this type of number system is very attractive form of classification. Now another classifications of numbers like as a number system is also. Now note the important facts of the board. Now we take another type of number system. Just we can say number system is depend upon the different of classification in according to our needs. Just we can say rational number and irrational numbers. First is rational number. And second is irrational number. Irrational numbers. In the case of rational number, we can say some rules are followed in according to rational number. Let's say first example, it is an integer. First is it is an integer. Just we can say it is counting in according to norms of integer. Integers are classified in three parts like as positive integer, negative integer and zero integers. So now we can say integers are classified in three parts. Integer are classified in three parts. First is positive integer. Just we can say in the short form plus b. Another zero integers, and third is negative integer. Just we can say in the short form minus b. It means just we can define the number system in according to scaling of the numbers. Yeah, just we can say we represent on the scale like as +1, +2, +3, etc. up to infinite values. Another in the case of 0 is also a zero integers. Another negative numbers -1, -2, -3, etc. They are infinited. Just we can say integer means we can find the things in according to their counting. We can count the things one whole. Just we can say they are possible in positive, negative, and also be positive in zero. So now we can say rational number depends on it is an integer both sides, like as a numerator and denominator. For example, that numerator and denominator, just we can say a and b etc. Another second condition is rational number. It is presented in a by b. It is presented in a by b. Second circumstances, third limitations, that is b is not equal to 0. b is not equal to 0. Just we can say denominator is not equal to 0. Okay, denominator कभी 0 नहीं होगा. These are the three limitations of rational number. It is an integer, that is a and b. A is the numerator parts and b is the denominator parts. It is also presented in a by b. Just we can say it means the presentation of fraction. So the fraction is the initial form of rational number and b is the denominator. b is not equal to 0. इसका मतलब हुआ कि हम रेशनल नंबर्स को तीन शर्तों के आधार पर तोलते हैं. पहली शर्त है कि इनको हम a बाई बी के रूप में प्रेजेंट करें. दूसरी शर्त है कि a और b दोनों में इंटीजर होना आवश्यक है. दोनों वैल्यू इंटीजर हों. इट मीन्स कि या तो पॉजिटिव हों, निगेटिव हों या फिर जीरो हों. जैसे हम सपोज कीजिए कि स्केलिंग करते हैं, तो इन द केस ऑफ स्केल वी फाइंड द जीरो वैल्यूज. जस्ट वी कैन काउंट इन राइट हैंड साइड +1, +2, +3, +4 etc. up to infinite value, and in the left side -1, -2, -3 up to infinite values. It means infinite to infinite. कुछ लोगों को इसमें शंका होगा क्या दोनों साइड में इनफाइनाइट होता है? तो ऐसा नहीं है. इन द केस ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ नंबर 0 फ्रॉम लेफ्ट, they are counted in infinite value of terms. Another 0 from right, they are counted from infinite value. Just we can say 0 integer या positive integer या negative integer, they are also explained in the initial to infinite values. Now we can say rational numbers is a collection of rational numbers is a collection of integers. It is a presentation of fraction, but in the case of denominator they are not equal to 0. But in the case of irrational number, so these terms and conditions do not follow the rationality. It means इसमें कोई भी conditions जो rational number के follow नहीं किए जाते, तो they are not follower of rational numbers. They are not followers of rational numbers. ये रेशनल नंबर्स के फॉलोअर्स नहीं होते. और जब रेशनल नंबर्स के फॉलोअर्स नहीं होते तो इट मीन्स कि तीनों कंडीशंस फेल हो सकती हैं. कोई एक कंडीशंस फेल हो सकती है, दो कंडीशंस फेल हो सकती है, या कुछ भी इसमें से अनफिट बैठती है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड इर्रेशनल नंबर्स. इन द सिंपलेस्ट एग्जांपल वी कैन से रूट नंबर्स. इनके लिए क्या होते हैं? रूट नंबर्स. रूट नंबर्स मीन्स like as √2, √3, √5 etc. are irrational numbers. In the case of rational numbers, we can example that 1, 2, 0. 0 means 0 upon 1. Another any one numbers like as -3, -4 upon 9 and something. कुछ भी इस तरह से हम इसमें रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं कि रेशनल नंबर्स में पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स भी होते हैं और निगेटिव इंटीजर्स भी होते हैं। जीरो को हम रेशनल क्यों मानते हैं? क्योंकि इसका डिनोमिनेटर हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, 0/1, 0.2, 0.3, कुछ भी इस तरह से हम प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। तो इन द केस ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन रेशनल नंबर्स इज आल्सो डिपेंड ऑन द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म, they are also a regional integer parts, they are also their denominator is not equal to 0. In this case number system is very broad features of the mathematics. The fundamental of mathematics is started from number system. If you have no knowledge of number system, then you are not aware in the sense of mathematics study. Now note the important points. They are noted in according to your study. They are very helpful for the futures. In again classification of number system, we can say real numbers. Real numbers. Another is etc. of real numbers. Etc. of real numbers. Etc. of real numbers means जो रियल नंबर्स की कैटेगरीज में ना आते हो। तो नाउ वी कैन से रियल नंबर्स। व्हाट इज रियल नंबर्स? रियल नंबर्स इट इज ए कलेक्शन ऑफ rational and irrational numbers. It is a collection of rational and irrational numbers. अब आप लोग खुद समझ गए होंगे कि रेशनल और इरेशनल नंबर के बाद क्या शेष बचता है? कुछ नहीं शेष बचता। तो हमने लास्ट में आपके सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए कह दिया कि दे आर एक्सेट्राज ऑफ रियल नंबर। तो रियल नंबर इट मीन्स कि यूनिवर्स में रियल नंबर्स के अलावा और कोई नंबर सही नहीं है। तो जस्ट वी कैन से कि नंबर सिस्टम इन द लास्ट finished by the it is a collection of rational and irrational number. Rational and irrational numbers is the fundamental view of ideas of number system. Now we can say real number is the platform of number system. In according to platform we can study the different types of numbers. In the case of number studies we can take the LCM, HCF. LCM, full form of LCM, that is least common multiples. Least common multiples. Another is HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factors. The difference between least common multiples and highest common factor. Least common multiples is the least values of numbers. Least values of numbers means छोटी से छोटी संख्या. But highest common factors means बड़ी से बड़ी संख्या. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट कि कोई वस्तु होती है उसको हम बांटना चाहते हैं कि जैसे सपोज कीजिए कि एक कोई सर्किल है, इसको हम 2 or more than पार्ट्स में बांटना चाहते हैं। तो जब इसमें हम बांटना चाहते हैं तो हम कोई एक ऐसा पैमाना डालना चाहते हैं कि जिससे जस्टिफाइड डिवाइड्स हो। जस्टिफाइड डिवाइड्स होने का मतलब कि सपोज आप मान लीजिए 2 भाई हैं और किसी को शेयर कम मिलेगा तो वो परेशान हो जाएगा। इस नाते हम उसको क्या करते हैं, इक्वल डिवीजन करते हैं। और इक्वल डिवीजन करने का मतलब कि हमें वहां लीस्ट कॉमन नंबर्स की जरूरत पड़ती है कि फॉर द केस ऑफ जैसे आपने टेबल प्रिपरेशंस की बात कर लिया कि टेबल क्या करते हैं, इन अकॉर्डिंग टू टेबल, जैसे 2 की टेबल हुई तो 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, इस तरह से those numbers are counting in according to table of 2, they are also divides in equal to 2. Just we can say least common multiples of the given number is 2. Another multiples is 4, 6 and up to the higher stage of the number counting. Just we can say preparation of tables, they are very useful in according to LCM. But in the case of SCF, highest common factor is also depends on the high values of numbers. Just we can say it means SCF of 15 and 25. Just we can say the different methods we can find the SCF. First method is division process. In according to division process, तो डिवीजन प्रोसेस में हम क्या करते हैं, यहां से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. तो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर हमारा 15 है, लार्जेस्ट नंबर 25 है. तो 15 से हम डिवाइड करना शुरू कर देते हैं 25 को. तो 15 1 जा 15, सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए 25 माइनस 15 10 आया. 10 से 15 को डिवाइड कर देते हैं. तो 10 1 जा 10, यहां सब्ट्रैक्ट किए तो फिर हमें क्या वैल्यू मिल जाती है, 5 मिल जाएगी. और 5 से किसको, 10 को डिवाइड कर दीजिए. 5 2 जा 10. इट मीन्स हमने क्या फाइंड आउट किया कि SCF ऑफ 15 एंड 25 इज इक्वल टू 5. कि वह बड़ी से बड़ी संख्या क्या हो सकती है, 5, जो 15 को भी डिवाइड करेगी और 25 को भी डिवाइड करेगी. बट इन द केस ऑफ लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स, अगर सपोज कीजिए कि हमें LCM निकालना है, तो LCM ऑफ 15 and 25, just we can prepare the tables of multiples like as a 15 and 25. तो 5 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए, क्योंकि ऐसा सुटेबल नंबर्स जो दोनों नंबर्स को डिवाइड करता हो. तो 5 है, 5 3 जा 15, 5 5 जा 25. अब कोई ऐसा नंबर्स नहीं है क्योंकि ये दोनों प्राइम नंबर्स आ गए. इट हैज ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स. 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो ओनली 1 नंबर डिवाइड होती है. 5 से डिवाइड करते हैं तब भी ओनली 1 नंबर डिवाइड होती है. तो ऐसी कंडीशंस में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इनको इनिशियली डिवाइड कर दें. 3 1 जा 3, फिर 5 आ गया, लास्ट में 5 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. तो 1 तो डिवाइड ऑलरेडी पहले ही हो चुका है. तो 1 इज यूनिवर्सल नंबर. इट इज divide or multiplied any other numbers, there is no change of the result. Just we can say 5 5 1 ja 5. So now we can say LCM of this number is equal to 5 into 3 into 5. So that is equal to 5 3 ja 15 और 15 3 ja 45. So LCM means least common numbers is 45. They are divided by 15 and 25 both. No mistakes here. 5 5 जा 25, 25 3 जा 75. यहाँ मिस्टेक्स पकड़ने के सबसे अच्छे चांसेस क्या होते हैं कि इन्हीं नंबर से इसको डिवाइड कर दीजिए LCM को. अगर इन दोनों नंबर से LCM आपका डिवाइड नहीं होता है तो इट मीन्स योर आंसर इज रॉन्ग. तो नाउ वी कैन से इन द केस ऑफ वेरिफिकेशन you also verified their answers. Just we can say this is the fundamental maths of the initiality, or just we can say starting of the maths. Thank you. Thank you dear children for watching this type of tips on mathematics. Now we want to subscribe the study. Now next day we can take another topic of fundamental maths. Thank you.